Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to fn of s squared plus 9. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side. So we have like this dv that is about ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have like this. So s and s, we have s squared. So we need to add number 9. Later that, we need to minus about number 9. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1. Next, the integration of number 1, that is about s. So I will put negative number 9 in here. The integration of 1 over s squared plus 9, that is about 1 over 3 octane of s over number 3. So number 3, that's about 3 square in here. And now I will put about c. So we need to simplify number 9 divided by number 3. We have number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.